Gold Patrollers. Jeff Gold for the Gold Patrol. Well, Jodi Arias' trial is starting up again. Big news this weekend, though, was that the Court of Appeals has decided to reverse Judge Sherry Stevens' prior ruling that Jodi Arias herself could testify in secret. In fact, she's already testified a bit in secret before this jury. What happens now? Will Jodi Arias testify in public like she did in the first trial? Will she kick it and say, nope, I'm not going to testify anymore? Juan Martinez then has to move to strike the prior testimony. Then Kurt Nurmi has filed a motion in response to the ruling by the Court of Appeals saying his interpretation is that they have struck an all-secret testimony, and therefore he has two other witnesses, or three other witnesses in total, that he says will not testify, and now Jodi Arias is robbed of a fair trial at the death penalty stage. So we'll see. There's that motion. There's the decision about whether Jodi will testify. Is there another witness set up for today if she's not going to testify? Plenty to come in Jodi Arias today. Finally, I want to make a note about this. One of those witnesses that Kurt Nurmi says that he wanted to testify but doesn't want to is a fellow who apparently is going to confirm that Travis Alexander liked child pornography. I don't know how the heck we've gotten so far afield of the death penalty in this case. You know, number one, is that even relevant? We've heard this before. How about a witness who wasn't at the first trial who's now coming out to say something like that? It sounds like a travesty to me. But we'll see what actually happens, whether that witness would really testify in any event, and how credible would that witness really be, not having come forward before. And finally, as I said earlier, what relevance? What does it really matter, even if it was true? And don't think I think it's true, but even if it was, this is the death penalty case about whether or not Jodi Arias butchered Travis Alexander and whether she's worth saving. We'll see. More from the Gold Patrol later in the day.